The taste button in the Libra electric pressure cooker lets you customize the flavor profile of your dish. It is suitable for presets such as rice, biryani, dal rajma, chicken, meat, vegetable gravy, fish gravy, millet, soup rasam, idli steam and slow cook, and not for other preset. Simply choose the preferred taste setting. Select fragrance for lighter textures and enhanced natural aromas, standard for balanced everyday cooking, or rich for deeper flavors and fuller taste. The cooker automatically adjusts the cooking cycle to deliver results that suits your preference, making every meal truly personalized. Now, how to use it? To use the taste button, press function, choose the preset you want to choose, and then press the taste button. You can choose between the three preset options that you have from rich, standard, or fragrant.